Hello everyone, welcome to online class. I am Mukesh Upadhyay. Today I am going to explain development standard 10th economics chapter 1 and that is part 2 video. In the earlier class I have already explained about development, that is the achievement or goals through which a person try to take some advantages to become bigger and stronger through promoting the earnings, means increasing the national income as well as per capita income. Similarly, human development, that means a human-centered approach program through the human beings not only developed economically but socially also. That means education, nutrition, life expectancy, health condition. This is the social development, and providing jobs, improving the national income through that per capita income. Per capita income means a person's particular income. National income, that means nation's income divided by population, that means per capita income. Later in the chapter I will discuss about that. National income, in earlier class I have not explained about that, but national income means the total value of final goods and services plus income coming from abroad, that is called national income. Here national development. So what is national development? The process of development that satisfies the larger section of society of the nations, means the benefits of development should reach most of the citizens of the nation. That means national development. Just you think about that. Any kind of activities, some of the benefits and some of the losses also. If you make bridge, then you have to acquire land, demolish some of the houses, maybe obstruct the flow of natural water during constructing of dam, etc., etc. But if benefits spread large amount of society, that is the part of development. But the activity that disturb larger section of society and provide benefits in less number, that process is not called development. So later I will discuss about that. In the last class I have already explained that different person have different development goals. Different person have different development goals. That means what? In India there are various categories of people which have a different social status, economic status, political point of view. All of Indians are equal, either male, female, rich, poor, black, white, handicapped, better person, all are equal. Understand? But here, difference, political status, that is social status and economic status. So rich peasants, poor peasants, peasants depend on rainfall, rich girl, rich boys, Adivasis, students, teachers, working person, educated unemployment. These are the categories of the societies in which various kind of people survive there, and each and everyone has only view. They just want to become developed. How? To improve their economy. And economy, that means nation, provide opportunities, either farmer or students, people, everywhere. All of us want to become better and better, and earning money is the main source of development. So without the use of money, the infrastructures, the facilities, the opportunities, either education, science, technology, everywhere, we just want to be developed. either our nation, society, states, country, family, houses, etc., etc. Okay, but if you know each and every class want to be developed and earn much amount of money, but they do not think all of us developed just remain the same manner. No, rich person want more and more facilities, while poor only want to survive to a square of meals, दो वक्त का खाना, providing regular job. For example, a person or a society wants how to survive the congestion of the cities. That means to construct bridges, skyroads, metros. For that, the government should acquire land, and some of the residential area also used in it. So government provide compensation and take the area in its custodies. So here is the another topic. What may be development for one is the destructions for other. Understand? What may be development for one is the destructive for the others. For example, industrialists, city dwellers means metropolitan cities want much amount of electricity and water. So they demand construct as many as dams. Here I have already explained about that, Adivasis of Narmada valleys. So when Adivasis suffering a lot after constructing a dam, that means entire area submerging into the river. Suppose you are in city and government expand 2 lane into 4 lanes. Okay, overbridge. For that, some of the residential areas have to be acquired. That means what? Government provide compensation. So any person and owner whose residential area involved in the constructing areas and government try to take through compensation, then the person whose houses need to be demolished, is there development for him? No. That's why the development for one is the destruction of others, because each and every want any circumstances to earn more, and for earn more, that means facility more, and facilities more, that means resources more, and resources, that means arrangements, and for that some of suffering a lot. But here national development, that means benefits to the larger section of the society. So the 2 points you have got. The first one, different people have different development goals. Second one, what may be development for one is the destructions of others. Now third topic, income and other goals. Income. So you all have seen that different social group want much amount of income. The way through that they earn more. Okay? But what do you think? Either farmer, rich, Adivasis, unemployed people, each and every want much amount of money through various opportunities. Okay? So income, you all know that it plays a very vital role. That's why if each and every social group earn much amount of money, then how? It is the responsibility of the government to generate the way, generate the process through which, generate the opportunities through which each and every survives after doing various activities. Okay. But besides income, there is other goals also. Means what? Respect, discrimination, no discrimination, okay, cooperation, understand? So if you have book, then if you know that, just try to know equal treatment, because there is differences in our society on the basis of language, religion, opportunities, class. That's why development is not measuring only through income. Income can fulfill only your materialistic thing. Materialistic, that means goods you can buy only through income. But respect, no discrimination, cooperation, equal treatment, these are the social activities. If your society is an ideal society, then these qualities are seen in it. But if you have some of the differences, then you can take some negative activities through these features. That's why income only provide to fulfill your pleasure, to buy the goods. But respect, discrimination, equal treatment provides satisfaction in the society through which you will survive with dignity. That's why we can say that we have other goals besides income. Understand? Now we move to the next topic later in the chapter, and these topics for development, people have a mixed goal. People have mix of goals. That means what? Mix of goal? Just recent I have explained about that. What? We need income and we need dignity in the society. We need respect, equal treatment also. That's why people have mix of both. That means if you have a job, then what do you think? You just accept the job with blind eyes? No. First you know where we do the job. What kind of activities we have to do? The area, the opportunities, the family welfare, security. These are the features that you need to know, because you do not only want income, but you think about your families.